Alrighty, so for my friends who are on the recording, we have 27 for the first line. We have 27 and 72. So is 27 less than, greater than, or equal to 72? The next number sentence is 34 less than, greater than, or equal to 32. So that's 34 and 32. Then we have 14 is 14 less than, greater than, or equal to 41. So that's 14 and 41. And then the last one is 22 less than, greater than, or equal to 22. Sorry, 22 and 22, not 32. I'll give you one more minute. Wow, I see a lot of brains are working. Lots of brains working. Ooh, and applesauce. That looks yummy. All right, show me your work in 3, 2, 1. Show me your work. Awesome sauce. Who could read me the first equation? Who could read it to me, the first number sentence? Jet, go for it, dude. 27 is less than 72. Right, 27 is less than 72. Good job. Who could read me the next one? Miss Acacia, go for it, girl. 34 is greater than 32. Good job. 34 is greater than 32. Good one. Who could read me the next one? Go for it, Zoe. 13 is less than 21. Good job. I tried to trick you on that one. I didn't. Who could read me the last one? Who could read me the last one? Go for it, Darren. 22. Right, 22 is equal to 22. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a little break from greater than, less than, equal to. I know you all love it so much, but I noticed in your math small groups last week that a lot of you still need help with word problems. So today, we're going to work on some word problems, okay? I'm going to write the first one. I started with an easy one. Charlotte has 5 necklaces. Acacia has 8 necklaces. How many necklaces do they have all together? Okay, so Charlotte, she's got 5. Acacia, she's got 8 necklaces. How many necklaces do they have all together? So, what do we write first? What do we write first before we solve a word problem? Do we write the equation, the strategy, or the answer first? What do we write first? Seeing a lot of friends who don't know. What do we write first? George. Equation. Good job. Kiss your brain. Thank you. Mwah.
Okay, that's right. We write the equation. And does anyone know the equation for this word problem? Oh, there we go. We got some more hands this time. Broccolini, hit me, dude. Charlotte has 5 necklaces. Acacia has 8. How many necklaces do they have altogether?
13.
I want the equation. So what's the equation? So you don't write the answer. You write 5 plus 8 equals, you might have been able to solve that in your head. But with this word problem, we don't know how many they have altogether to match the words. So it's 5 plus 8 equals unknown first. Okay, that's what we have to write first. And then we can write what? Do we write the answer or do we do the strategy? Answer or strategy? Noah, what comes next?
Answer.
Nope. What comes next?
Strategy.
Strategy, right. You do the equation, the strategy, and the answer. And listen, when I say this, this is very important, okay? I'm going to say this to both my computers. You have to write an equation, a strategy, and an answer on a test. You have to. If you do not do it, you will be marked wrong. I know some of you can do the work in your head, which is great. I'm super proud of you. But since you're not sitting here in front of me on a test, you have to show, even if you were sitting here in front of me, actually, you have to show me what's in your brain and put it on the paper. So you have to show ESA, elephant sing always, equation, strategy, answer. You have to show all 3, okay? I'm going to drill it into your heads. Okay. What strategy could be used to solve this problem? What strategy? We have a couple. What is one strategy we could use, Charlotte?
One strategy is
You could draw, so one strategy, you could draw circles, right? So you could draw like 5 circles and then draw 8 more and count how many there are in all. Or a number line. Good job. That's right. Kiss your brain. Okay. So, or you could do a number line and you could start at 5, hop 8 to get to the end. I'm going to draw circles. So I'm going to draw 5 circles first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to draw 8 more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8. Yes, you should be doing this with me. This is good practice. So we have 5 plus 8 equals unknown. Then we would count how many in all. Well, I know there are 5 up here, or I know there are 8 down here. So typically I tell you to start with the bigger number and count on. So I'm going to start with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So I got 13. Or I could have started with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? That's what Brock had said, right? That 5 plus 8 equals 13. But I need to see this entire piece with each word problem. Okay? I'm going to move on. Next time, the next word problem, I want you to write it down as I do it, okay? Alrighty. Let's see. Okay. Darren has 14 cupcakes. He eats 5 of them. How many cupcakes does Darren have now? Okay, so Darren has 14 cupcakes. He eats 5 of them. How many cupcakes does Darren have now? What is the equation for this word problem? Aubrey?
9.
So you're still giving me the answer. I want the equation. Again, you might be able to do this in your head, but you can't just write the answer on here. I need to see each step. Equation, strategy, answer. What's the equation? Okay, Darren has 14. He eats 5. What's our starting number? 14 is our starting number. Now, he eats 5. Am I doing addition or subtraction? Show me with your hands. Show me with your arms. Am I doing addition or subtraction? Which one? He eats 5. Am I doing addition or subtraction? Remember, addition means I'm adding more. I'm giving more. Subtraction means I'm taking away, getting rid of, eating. So which one is it? Addition or subtraction? Good, that's right. It's subtraction. How many did he eat? Hold it up with your fingers. How many did he eat? Good job. He ate 5 equals, what am I going to put here? What am I going to put here?
9.
I'm not going to put the answer there now. What am I going to put there? Unknown, right. I'm going to put a box for the unknown number, okay? Now, you can do those strategies. You could draw so many circles, or I could do a number line. So, do you want to draw circles for this one? All right, who can tell me how many circles I'm going to draw? Vita, how many circles am I going to draw? Okay, so I'm going to draw 14 circles first. Now, Vita said I'm going to draw 5 more circles. But did you hear what I just said? I said more. Well, I'm taking away. Who remembers what I used to tell you all the time? In subtraction, you only draw. In subtraction, you only draw. Zoe. The first number. Good job. Mwah, kiss your brain. That's right. In subtraction, you only draw. If you're drawing circles, you only draw the first number because we are taking away this many. Okay? We're going to X out this many. So we're not drawing 5 more circles. We're taking away those circles. So help me count. I'm going to take away 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, count how many are left. Count how many are left. Vita, how many are left, girlie? There shouldn't be 13. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. There should be 9 left because you drew 14. You only drew the 14, and then you took away 5. So your answer would be that Darren now has 9 cupcakes left, and he shouldn't eat any more. Okay. I'm losing time. So, I want to go over 2 things. First thing I want to go over is your assignment for today. Okay? For your assignment today, you have 3 word problems. Okay? 3 word problems. Each word problem has a video.
Chet had 14 cupcakes. He gave some to his friend Brock. Now Jet has 8 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did Jet give to Brock? Okay, so I want you to write it.
So I read each word problem to you. So Jet had 14 cupcakes. He gave some to his friend Brock. Now Jet has 8 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did Jet give to Brock? So I want us to take the time now to write equations for each of these. So who can raise their hand? All right, go in line now. You can raise your hand and tell me what the equation would be. What's my first number? What's my first number? Riley. 14. Good girl. He gave some to his friend Brock. Do we know how many he gave? He gave some. Do we know how many? No. So that's an unknown. When you give something away, is that subtraction or addition? When you give something away, what is it? Subtraction or addition? Subtraction. Good job. That's right. Subtraction. 14 minus unknown equals. Now how many cupcakes does Jet have? So now Jet has 8 cupcakes. How many do you have, Jet? Now you have 8 cupcakes. So how many do you have now? 8. So your equation for this first word problem is 14 minus unknown equals 8. Okay? 14 minus unknown equals 8. All right, we're going to do the next one. Okay? Again, I read the word problem to you. There's a video.
Riley had 12 dolls. Amina gave her some more dolls. Now Riley has 20 dolls. How many dolls did Amina give to Riley?
Okay. So Riley had 12 dolls. Amina gave her some more dolls. So now Riley has 20 dolls. How many dolls did Amina give to Riley? So Amina is giving the dolls to Riley. Riley's getting some more. So how many dolls did you have to begin with, Riley? Riley had 12 dolls. How many you had to begin with? You had 12 dolls. So you had 12 to start, right? Then Amina gave her some more. Remember, gave her some more. So Riley's getting more. So it's addition, but we don't know how many. Now Riley, so that was very nice of you, Amina. Now Riley has 20 dolls. Golly gee, that's a lot of dolls there, Riley. Okay? So the equation would be 12 plus unknown equals 20. Okay? 12 plus unknown equals 20. So you're going to solve to find that missing number. Not this number. I want to know the unknown. Okay? All right. Let's do the next one. I have some nice friends giving friends cupcakes and dolls. How sweet. Okay. Vita has 6 tulips. Acacia has 9 roses. How many flowers do Vita and Acacia have all together? So all together, is that addition or subtraction? When we want to know that all together, both together, is that addition or subtraction? Right, that's addition. So Vita has 6 tulips, Acacia has 9 roses, and I want to know how many they have all together. That one's I ended on an easy one. So 6 plus 9 equals unknown. Okay, that's your third equation for that third word problem. Okay, 6 plus 9 equals unknown. All right, the next super simple, easy, again, video. Okay, next thing I want to show you is this. Okay, this is your math assessment for the first kind of half of the 9 weeks. Okay, now I have a question for you. Do you do this on your own or do your parents do it? You do it on your own. That's right. Good job. Show me what's in your brain. Show me how smart you are. Now, if you need help with a question, you can ask your parents for help with a question. But I want to see what you know and what's in your brain. Okay? So, if you listen to this video, you'll see me skateboarding with a raccoon, telling you, you got it, because I know you got it. And guess what? I've seen you do it in small group. Okay? I've seen you do it in small group. So I know you can do it. I know that you got big brains in there, okay? So show me your brains. All right, check out this video. Then each problem is on its own page, okay? So each problem is on its own page. If you tap on this white video at the top, you can hear me read aloud the question to you. The first one, you're counting by ones to write the missing numbers. So you're counting by ones from the number 86. So you're counting on from 86. Second question, same kind of concept. Counting by ones to write the missing numbers. You're counting on from the number 19. What are the next 5 numbers after the number 19? Those 2 are easy peasy. This one, and I want you to pay attention. You have a group of Unifix cubes, okay? And I explained this in the video. You have a group of Unifix cubes. I want you to tell me how many groups of 10 you can have and how many ones you have left over. So remember when we used to have, you know, big groups of cubes or hearts or stars or something like that. I want you to circle groups of 10. Okay, so make a group of 10. Tell me how many 10s there are and then how many leftovers there are, and then tell me the total value. So how many would there be altogether? Okay, so that one's a little bit different. This one we've been doing. I know you know how to do it. I saw it with your Big Ideas math work last week. You're counting the number of 10s, counting the number of ones, telling me the total value of those base 10 blocks. That one's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And the last one, okay? You're telling me the total value of those base 10 blocks. So it says how many cubes. If you want to count these and tell me the total value, don't forget, write in 10s and 1s if you need to. Draw a 10s and 1s chart. And then guess what? Well, it didn't go to it. Woohoo! Then you'd be done. That's it. A 5-question test. That's it. Done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's the end. Okay? But that assessment, so your math assessment, isn't due until Wednesday. So if you don't want to do it today, you don't have to, but it has to be done by Wednesday, okay? Charlotte, you would be the exception. You don't have to do it because you're an in-person, face-to-face kiddo, okay? Okay. Alrighty, that is